Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how our Mr. Flex promotional kit is going to arrive in your house, okay? It's going to be like this, right? The package, and it is totally discreet, okay? There's nothing here, you see? I'm going to open it for you and I'm going to tell you all the details with all of our products here. Wow! Take a look, guys! Wow, it's a wooden basket. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Let's open it. Okay, so let's do it. Take a look, guys. A lot of products, wonderful products. This one is Mr. Flex promotional kit, okay? So I'm going to start with Mr. Flex Packer. Okay, it's 5-in-1. It has all of the functions. It's for packing, peeing, right, and of course sex, to have sex, and also to masturbate. It comes already with handmade painting. It's amazing, isn't it? Well, here inside there's also a vertebra, and it comes in a case, okay, in a packer case to protect and make your packer clean. Also, it comes with this amazing underwear, okay? You can choose the color. So, you can use with packer and it's going to help you in all of its functions, okay? Packing, peeing, and also to have sex, because there's a pocket here, a little pocket inside, and you can put your packer here, you see? And look at this color, amazing, isn't it? This is my favorite one. So guys, it also comes with the strap on, okay? And I'm gonna show you. This one is the black one, okay? It is for sex, okay? It's going to keep the packer really close to your body. And look at the elastic here, it's really resistant. And take a look here, guys. It also comes with the shampoo, okay? And the tonic. It doesn't matter if you are on testosterone or not, they are going to stimulate the hair grow a lot. So you can apply, beard, okay, your hair or your body hair. It's going to be amazing because your hair is gonna be much more brighter, and stronger. Take a look at this wonderful little box, this wooden box. So guys, are you curious? Let's open. It's a Transtore porcelain mug. Look how cute it is. You see? It's a very special present and it comes only with our promotional kits, okay? So, and it is also a present for you because you can store your mug here, you can make it safe, okay? Or you can put whatever you want here. And so guys, all of the products, they are inside this wooden box here, that it's also a present, and it was made with all of our love just for you, okay, in a special package. Also, it's for a very special price, right? So for more information and more pictures, you can take a look at our website, okay? Don't miss it.